Hey, my peeps. What up? Um, okay, I'm alive. Nothing happened to me. Ow. Nothing happened to me last night. Oh, I just sat on my hand wrong. Or I put my hand wrong down. Down wrong. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, I'm okay. Nothing else happened. What I did is I put on a Christmas movie and I fell asleep to the Christmas movie. So, hey, Christmas, Kurt Russell, where could you go wrong? I mean, come on. Oh my God, I've had a crush on him since I was like 10 years old. Oh. Anywho, get off of that. Goldie will get mad. No, I don't think she has anything to worry about. Anywho, in the morning, I got up and let Sammy out. When I opened the door, the key or the things did it again, but that's the last time since early this morning. So, you know, some goofball said, "Oh, didn't your magic sheet or something keep you safe," or something like that. It was stupid. I'd never once said my sheet was magic. Come on, people. Give me a break. I was kind of hoping it was paranormal. But at this point, I don't know. Now, I did stop at an O'Reilly's and got a new battery, and they put it in for me. They were really nice about it. So I have an extra battery, and so far, no lights have come on except my seatbelt light. If I don't put it on right away, nothing's come on, like my, what is that, oh, hold on, the ABS, ESP, BAS, and the slippery when wet light. That hasn't come on since I changed the battery. So who knows? I did look on YouTube, and it said you might have dash light problems. So I don't know. Maybe that's what's been the problem all along. Who knows? Anyway, I am safe. Let's see. What else was I going to tell you? Oh, gosh. When I'm driving, I think of things all the time, and I'm thinking, oh, I got to remember to tell them that. Ooh, I got to remember to tell them that. No, not gonna happen. Oh, Lordy. Some of the a lot of things that people said was, how come Sammy wasn't parking? Yeah, that's what I'd like to know. How come Sammy wasn't going nuts? Okay? Because normally any little sound, and he's losing his mind, but that happened several times, and it's loud enough to wake him up. But he didn't move. He didn't move. And that one's kind of hard for me to figure out. I don't know. Well, anyway, just in case it was paranormal, I drove the van to a spot that I could pull over on the dirt, okay? So because apparently you're not supposed to do this on like a blacktop. You have to be connected with the earth. I don't know, I'm still learning. Anyway, what I did was I was supposed to make a circle of salt around the van, right? Because, okay, Marlene, she told me about this. She said she thought it was spirits that I hadn't told not to come with me when I went to Chickamauga battlefield. And because I said, well, I wasn't actively ghost hunting then, so I didn't say no hitchhikers, you know, can come out of the park with me. So she says, yeah, but they know that my intention was to go ghost hunting when I was there. I said, oh, okay. So that makes sense. So I didn't say the covering prayer or anything before I went. So she said, what you need to do is put a circle of salt around the van, and then get my sage, and then light the sage, and do the smudge the van, blah blah blah. Smudging just means if you light the sage and you blow it out, it'll smoke, okay? And you just wave it around in the air, okay? So, what I... Now, I'm on the side of the road, all right? I said, but Marlene, if I do this on the side of the road, they're going to think I'm out of my mind. She said, that's good. No one will bother you then. So, she was right. So I thought I had a big container. You know, I'm all about supernatural. I know to take a big container of salt. So I didn't have it. I left it at Marlene's house. So I thought, what can I do? What can I do? So I got... I got my pink Himalayan salt. I'm making a circle around my van with the pink salt. And I was running out, and the wind was blowing it. I mean, wind came out of nowhere. I mean, it wasn't windy at all. And then I get out of the van trying to light the sage, and and the salt's blowing all over. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this isn't going to work at all. But I did it, but the thing was, I prayed over the van, okay? I prayed over the van, and in Jesus' name, I'm pretty sure he took care of it, okay? Because I prayed to God through Jesus Christ of Nazareth, who came in the flesh, okay? So I'm pretty good at taking care of. Yeah, so that'll teach me if I even think I'm going ghost hunting, I am going to have to pray before I get started at all, you know. The fact that I was there, I should have did the covering prayer. I'll learn one of these days. I'll learn. Another comment, what are you doing watching 3:45 is an odd time to watch TikTok. And yeah, that would be true if I hadn't gone to the bathroom. Bathroom woke me up. I'm thinking, okay, I might as well, because by the time I do my business, put it in the container, sterilize the bowl, I'm wide awake. So I got to have something to... Holy moly. Sorry. I gotta have something to, you know, make me tired. So I put on TikTok. That usually works. So, no, I wasn't up at that time just watching TikTok. Ugh, no, I normally sleep. But, you know, with the Christmas movie and Kurt Russell, I slept like a baby after that. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I'm twisted. So anyway, my brake lights and the oil light hasn't come on. The doors are locking and unlocking with the key fob, so I will let you know tomorrow what all happens tonight. Oh, update on little T, okay? Very happy to report that she got her neck brace off. She got her neck brace off and she can hold her head up and she can walk a little bit, but you know, she's not straight up and down walking. And someone yelled when I was talking to Tommy, getting the update, and she can almost sit Indian style. So she can almost, you know, bend her legs and sit that way. So I'm just overjoyed. I am so happy. Thanks to everyone that's been committed to praying for her. I so appreciate it. So anyway, you guys take it easy. Take the long way. I'm thinking about the locks. I was seeing them going a little up and down. They weren't doing it all the way, but they were a little going up and down. I'm thinking, oh crap. Oh, anyway, enough. Take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo. Okay. P.S. My phone had been acting up for a couple days too, ever since I went in the battlefield. I would be watching a movie and it just shut off. I mean, it wasn't hot or anything, it just shut off. Or I'd be looking at a YouTube video, it just shut off. And I couldn't figure out why. And a lot of times it wouldn't turn back on for like 10-15 minutes. It hasn't done it since I left. So I don't know what that's all about. Yeah. Anyone else having trouble with their phone shutting down? I had plenty of battery. I had just had 100% on it, and I unplugged it, and I was doing something, and it just turned off. So, any ideas? Okay,